Indonesia's forests represent 10% of the world's remaining tropical forests. These forests help stabilize the world's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Excess carbon dioxide contributes to climate change. It overcooks the planet. Tropical forests are crucial to our existence. 6.2 million acres a year are destroyed due to logging, mining, farming, and palm oil plantations. Our close relatives are severely affected. The beautiful orangutans. They are the largest tree-living mammal in the world. Their homes are being decimated. Poachers often kill orangutan mothers to secure an infant for the live animal trade. About 6 to 10 orangutans die for every one that survives. Their babies ripped from them to be sold and then left alone to rot. Their babies cling to their mothers even in death and will often die themselves due to starvation or a broken heart. If we saw these beautiful animals as people, this would be genocide, the illegal pet trade as slavery. Why should we care? That's why. We are in charge of the outcome. There are easy steps to clean up our planet. One breath at a time. Our skies are shared by us all. We all breathe the same oxygen. Soon we might not have any. There is hope. What steps can we take? Take a proactive role. Use palm oil-free products. Plant trees. Use recyclable items. Learn ways to keep the earth clean and then act on it. Use pesticide-free products. I put my hand in yours, and together we can do what we could never do alone. No longer is there a sense of hopelessness. We are all in this together. And as we join hands, we find love and understanding beyond our wildest imagination.